Hello everyone, let's continue the learning. In this tutorial, we are learning about arcs. As you see here, between circle and rectangle, we have arc command. Arc is a part of circle. We know that. Why we need arc? That's the question. Not always we need to draw full circle. Sometimes we need a half circle or semicircle. In that case, if you draw circle again, you have to trim that. It will be a waste of time. Instead, we have arc option where we can utilize arc in different methods to draw a part of the circle. We will see with first one, 3-point arc. What it says? It says any 3 points on the arc. For example, first point, second point and third point. If you see here how it is increasing the circles arcs diameter. So this is one method to draw arc. But if you see one more thing, if you observe the same 3-point circle I will take. If I click this and click this, the orientation is changing, which means in this always we should keep one eye on this command bar. If you see command bar here, specify start point of an arc, or if you want to specify center first, then you should click here. So what is telling start point? Here is the start point. Next it is telling to specify second point. Again, if you want to specify center, you can click here. It is telling second point. Now it is telling us to specify end point of an arc. So end point, where you want to end this. So 2 points we draw. The 2 point it is taking as a chord, and the third point if you see here, it will take it as end point of the arc. So this is for one method. The next method is start, center, end. If you have an arc here, start point, center point, and end point, it is asking us semicircle. It is like semicircle. The same if I take start, end, and if you see here, if I am moving this ahead, the first 2 points it is taking as radius, and the last point it will be at the end point of the angle 180 degree. Next, the same thing, instead of giving end point, this time we are specifying angle, means a part of the circle again. So I will click here. Next, if you see in this step, I will do 200 angle. So it is not 180, it is 200. The same thing if I click here, if I go 60, you can see like this. A line joining these 2 points from this to center, and this will give you a part of the slice. But this is how we can use different method. Start, center and length of the curve. This was for angle. If you want to give length, you can give length like this. I want to give length of 200 and the 200 is a small compared to this length. But if you measure this arc length by here from this, you will see it's 200. So this is how we can draw this. Next is the same start and angle. Here we use center, here we are giving end point. The only difference. I will use some of these for homework, and this one is last one is continuous arc. If you say continuous arc is like this. It will keep on continuing. So this you can together offset or copy like this, or you can offset this from here till here. select the object like this. So this is how you can draw any objects, elements using these arcs and circles. I think this is enough for the arc tutorial. We will see you in the next tutorial of ellipse. Until then, the homework is to explore all this. If you have any doubts in any of this, please comment in the comment section. I can solve your doubts. Thank you. See you in the next video. Stay tuned and keep practicing.